In this video, you will learn how to navigate through the CAD user interface. For example, by interacting with the ribbons, menus, and so on. I have 3 files open right now. Drawing number 2, which has nothing in it, ice ring example file, which has a couple of tabs, and the cottage plan and elevation drawings. As you can see, when you hover over the file tabs to get a preview of different model space and paper space tabs that they have in them, these are all blank. In this file on the ice ring file as a model space, and when you hover over these other tabs, it gives you a preview of what it is going to look like in your drawing area. That is a nice little thing. If that is what you want, just click on it and that file is activated. Every file you have opened will be listed up here. When you make changes to your drawings, it will put a little asterisk up there. That will tell you how you have made changes, but you haven't saved them yet. So when I hit Ctrl S to save, that will go away. If you open up an Autocad file as read only, there will be a little lock icon in the file tab. So if you want to close the file, just click on the X. That will close the file. If you want to make a new file, you can click on this plus sign and open up your template file. Click open and it creates a new drawing. You can always rearrange these tabs. Just left click and hold and then drag it with them in whatever order you want. Otherwise, it puts the file tabs in order that they were created for. Opened, whatever the case might be, you just right click on any of the tabs or in this open space here. Where the tabs will go, you get options like new file, open a file, or save all. That will save all your open files. Open files are closed off if you right click on the tab. Specifically, you get a few more different options like save as, save all, the regular save, and then close. Close all except this tab. In this file, since it is one that has been saved, I can copy the full file path and are going to open the file location. This copies the file path so that I can paste it into an email, into notes, into text, and whatever I want. That is a really nice feature. This is the open file location. These 2 items alone make file tabs fantastic. Now, if you don't want to use them at all, that is fine. You don't have to. If you go to your View tab on the ribbon and go to the File tabs, it will toggle them off. And for most of the video series on the way, I'll have them turned off just to save some space.